Hey everyone! Today, I'm thrilled to share the journey I've embarked on towards financial freedom and escaping the daily grind of a 9-to-5 job. This adventure wouldn't have been possible without the guidance of my mentor and trusted partner, Jonathan Montoya. Jonathan has cracked the code to quitting the traditional job through a side hustle. That's not just any side hustle, it's a game changer. Hey there, welcome to Simple Money Matters. I'm Duane Coppick, your host. Please take a second to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stick around till the end of this video because I'm here to pass on a golden opportunity to you. For a limited time, you can get access to a free course taught by Jonathan himself. I'll give you instructions at the end of this short video. Alright, back to the video. Jonathan explored every side hustle imaginable before finding the key to his freedom. From Amazon FBA, dropshipping to cryptocurrency, he's done it all. But it was affiliate marketing that transformed his life, enabling him to quit his job in just 9 months. His journey was filled with ups and downs, learning from failures and finally finding success. Now he's sharing his blueprint through a comprehensive free training course, and it's your turn to take advantage of it. Just like Jonathan, I knew I wanted more from life than the confines of an office. His story of overcoming obstacles, including financial debt and challenging living conditions, inspired me. Under his mentorship, I discovered the power of affiliate marketing, a side hustle that doesn't require owning your own product and can be done alongside a full-time job. It's perfect for beginners and doesn't involve uncomfortable sales pitches to friends and family. Jonathan isn't just talking about theories. He's providing practical tools and training in his free course. This training is a roadmap to success, showcasing the exact strategies that helped him and many of his students to achieve financial independence. I'm still on my journey, making strides each day towards my goal, fueled by the lessons and insights Jonathan has shared. Thousands of students have all walked the path I'm on now, and their achievements remind me that the goal of quitting my 9-to-5 job is not just a dream. It's a very achievable reality. Before I share the information about the free training course, please smack that subscribe button and let's kick off our journey to a future where your wallet is as happy as you are. Can't wait to have you on board for this adventure in Money Matters. If you're watching this and feeling the pull towards a life of financial freedom where you're no longer bound by the 9-to-5, I urge you to click on the link in the description below. Join Jonathan Montoya's free course series. This isn't just another course. It's a transformative experience that could very well be the first step towards changing your life. Remember, this training is completely free, but the value you'll get from it is immense. Jonathan is ready to guide you through the same journey he's led me and thousands of others on towards success and freedom. So don't wait. Click the link now, sign up for the free training, and take the first step towards your new life. And as we wrap up this video, I want to reiterate how crucial it is to seize this opportunity. If you've ever dreamed of quitting your 9-to-5 job, gaining financial independence, and living life on your terms, this free course by Jonathan Montoya could be the key to unlocking that future. Click the link in the description, sign up for the course, and let's embark on this journey together. Trust me, it's a decision you won't regret. Let's make the dream of financial freedom a reality. I hope you were inspired and just a little bit intrigued by this video. But I have one last thing to share with you that you don't want to miss. Now, if you want to take this journey to the next level by making money on YouTube, then check out this video right here. It will go over exactly how to start, build, and make money with a YouTube channel step by step. The crazy part is you don't have to make videos and you don't have to show your face at all. I will share all the secrets for doing so. A lot of secrets never even shared publicly online either. This video has a lot of value and it is actually the best video I've ever made on this subject. Check it out right here. I show you multiple ways of generating videos. I will show you how to get views and subscribers and secrets for doing all of it in this video right here. So check it out. This is Simple Money Matters signing off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.